Various people from all over the world are coming together here to talk about technology, trends, AI, the new generation.
Agencies across the globe coming together, celebrating achievements, trying to make plans how to achieve better results in the future.
Supercharge the travel industry, and that's what we're really here for, is to support the travel agencies in being prepared for the next generations.
There's a lot of energy in the room and a real great young, fresh vibe.
The energy here is amazing, and I feel like that the attendees really are ready to shape the future.
We're at the LCC General Assembly 2025. This is all about how we can impact the travel industry.
It's an opportunity to look forward.
Each and every one of us has a very important part to play in creating an impact in this industry and the world.